and we are playing Escape or Die 3 level 1 by isotronic. Let's begin. So we are in a room, and in the sofa we can take the coin. Then if we look at the picture, we can see that there are kind of shapes N U, N N U N. It's one set of these handles, and another set is here, so we need to combine it. It's use it kind of N shape, and from here we need to use NU, and then set the same positions for these handles, latches NU, and here we are to set position N. So we can see the first square is activated. Then for the second and third handle, big handle is to point down, and here we have NN and UN. So let's point it down. Then we have NN and then UN to activate the third latch. And next we have here the gun, and here something is covered with this layer, but we can uncover it and get the hint 155 and 28. These digits are the hint to open this lock on the not on the top but on the right side. 155 to 8. The first lock is open. Then for this puzzle we have a hint also in this case. So on the gun we can see triangles up, space up, and then space down, and space. So it's button to highlight the triangles. Here is the same 1 2 3 and 1 2, and then the third lock to open. We also have a hint here in this bullet gun, so we need to look. This is at top side and this is the bottom side, and relative to it we need to remember these positions and use them here. So here we can take a plane, and it moved here to the table. Then here's the clock hand to take. Going here in the door lock, we can take one more clock hand. And okay, first one more puzzle to solve. Here is a globe, and on the globe we can see letters M and one line. That means it's first letter, then F and 2 lines, and I and 3 lines. So we have MFI sequence, MFI. So we've got solder, and now let's place this clock hand here and solve the puzzle. So in the drawers we have different numbers 3 and 10. So let's set this time hours to move to 3 and minus to move to 10, but here seems like a mistake. We need to rotate it to digit 2, so we can see it is triggered. Then in another drawer we have 920. So clock hand moves to 9 and minus 20, and the third is 8 plus 4 is 12, and 5 by 5 is 25. So we have 12 25. We've got a tank, it's also here, and there's a hint so on the ground. So we can see that solder is opposite to solder. Green solder points to plane points to tank, and tank points to solder. So green solder points to plane, green plane points to tank, and tank points to solder. Now we've got the key, and let's start level 2. Okay, so we start handcuffed, and let's open it. So here's a polygraph, and from moving from left to right. Here's an arrow. We have spikes on the green lamp, then spike on the red, then spike on the white, and the last spike is for the blue. So we have green, red, white, blue, green, red, white, and blue sequence. Up, and looking up, we can take the handcuff keys. Camera to deactivate. Going to the right, let's take the water glass. Then a screwdriver here to take, and we can use it to remove this panel first and get cutters, and then we can use it to get the battery from this place. So we've got it, and then with cutters we can cut camera, but it is still electrified. So what can we do? Let's activate this place, and we have its kind of equation to calculate and get the answer. To get the answer, we need to get water, clear this glass, and we can see that here's an ampersand, so it gives us sign 2, sign plus. So 8 plus 20 is 28. Then 80 sign is for multiplication. So 5 multiplied by 10 is 50. Then dollar sign. A dollar sign is a minus, but here it would be better to replace these two items, but the difference is 10, and the last sign is to divide. So 6 divided by 12 is 1/2. 1/2 is 0.5. And here's the key to escape. So if this video walkthrough helped you, please leave likes, subscribe, and bye.